Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn Mathematics. Today we will continue the next of the questions of the chapter Applications of Trigonometry. So let's continue with its question 5. So question number 5 is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. So we have to find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. So first of all, let's draw its figure triangle. This is the height of the kite from the ground, 60 meter, and this angle of elevation is 60 degree, and this length is AB. So let BC is the height of the kite from the ground. This BC is 60 meter. AC is the inclined length of the ground string with the ground, and A is the point where string of the kite is tied. To find length of the string from the ground, that is the value of this AC from the figure, we have to find AC. So we will write C by AC. BC is given here, so we will put the value of BC, and BC by AC is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so put the values here. Sin 60 degrees under 3 by 2, and BC is 60 by AC. So we will get AC is equal to this 40 root 3 meters. So let's move to question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This is a boy and this is a building. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building, this is his eye and this is the top of the building. This angle increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walks towards the building. So make the figure according to the question. Let the boy initially stand at this point Y with inclination is 30 degree, and then he approaches the building to the point X with an inclination 60 degree, and we have to find the distance walked by boy towards the building, that is this distance XY. So from figure, XY is equal to AD, this distance is equal, so we will find AD will be equal to BD minus AB. So from figure, XY is equal to AD, height of building is 30 meter, so BC is equal to CZ minus VZ equal to, so CZ is 30, this height, minus 1.5, this is BZ, so which is equal to 28.5 meter. So now in triangle BCD, so we will find BC by BD equal to 1030, which is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by BD. So BD will be 28.5 root 3 meters. Again in a right angle triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to BC by AB. So we will find, so tan 60 is under 3, it is equal to 28.5 by AB. So AB will be 28.5 by root 3. So after rationalizing it, we will get 28.5 root 3 by 3. Therefore the length of AB is 28.5 root 3 by 3 meters. So now we have to find out this distance XY is equal to AD. So AD is equal to BD minus AB. Put the values here, we will get to 57 root 3 meters. After rationalizing it with square root of 3, we will get 19 root 3 meters, which is the distance walked towards the building. So now let's move to question number 7. So question number 7 is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevations of bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So this is the figure. This BC is the height of the building, that is 20 meters. D is the point on the ground from where the elevation is taken. So the height of transmission tower is AB. We have to find AB here, the height of the tower. From figure, in right angle triangle BCD, we are having BC by CD. BC is given here. So BC by CD is perpendicular by base, that is tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is 1. So 20 by CD. So CD is equal to 20 meters. So again in right angle triangle AC by CD is equal to tan 60 degree. So put the values here. Tan 60 is under 3 by 3. AC by 20. AC by 20. So AC is equal to 20 root 3. Now find AB. AB is equal to this distance AC minus BC. So put the values here. 20 root 3 minus 20. Take 20 common. So 20 root 3 minus 1. meters is the height of the tower. Now question number 8 is, a statue which is 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So now we have to find the height of the pedestal. So now let AB be the height of the statue, so that AB is equal to 1.6 meters, and D is the point on the ground from where the elevation is taken. To find height of the pedestal, so height is BC is equal to AC minus AB. From figure, in right angle triangle BCD, we will take BC by CD is equal to tan 45 degree. So put the value tan 45 degree is 1. So we will get BC is equal to CD. So BC and CD will be same. Now in right angle triangle ACD, AC by CD is equal to tan 60 degree. So put the values. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC is AB plus BC by CD. So under root 3 CD will come to this side, 1.6 plus B. So AB is 1.6 plus BC. So we will get under 3 BC. BC and CD are same, so replace BC by CD by BC. So it is equal to 1.6 plus BC. Now take this BC to left side. So under 3 BC minus BC is equal to 1.6. So BC into under 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So we will get BC is equal to 1.6 by under 3 minus 1. So after rationalizing it, we will get VC is equal to 0.8 into under 3 plus 1 meters, which is the height of the pedestal. So let's move to question number 9. So the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So let CD, this is the height of the tower, and AB is the height of the building. This AB is height of the building. So and BC is the distance between the foot of the building and the tower. Elevation is 30 degree and 60 degree from the tower and the building respectively. In right angle triangle BCD, this one triangle, we will get CD by BC, and this CD is given 50. So put the values. Tan 60 is root 3, 50 by BC. We will get BC is equal to 50 by root 3. Again in right angle triangle ABC, we will get AB by BC is equal to tan 30. We will get 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BC. So use these results in equation number 1. We will get AB is equal to 50 by 3 meters is the height of the building. So now let's move to question number 10. So question number 10 is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either sides of the road, which is 80 meter wide, and road is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Let AB and CD are two poles of equal height. O is the point from where the height of the elevation is taken. So BD is the distance between the poles as per our figure. So AB is equal to CD, and OB plus OD is equal to 80 meter. This is the width of the road. Now in triangle CDO, CD by OD is equal to tan 30. So put the values. 1 by root 3 tan 30 degree value, and CD by OD. So we will get CD is equal to OD root 3. Take it equation number 1. Now in right angle triangle ABO, tan 60 AB by OB is equal to tan 60 degree. So tan 60 is under 3 is equal to AB by 80 minus OD, and AB is equal to 3 into and this will come to this side. So 3 into 80 minus OD. So AB and CD are equal. So put the value of CD here. So under 3 80 minus OD is equal to OD by root 3. So we will get 3 into 80 minus OD is equal to OD. So 240 minus 3, multiplied these numbers. So we will get this 4 OD is equal to 240. So OD is equal to 240 by 4, which will equal to 60. So put this value of OD in equation number 1. We will get CD is equal to OD by root 3. So CD is equal to 60 by root 3. So after rationalizing it, we will get 20 root 3 meters. Also OB plus OD is equal to 80 meter. So OB is equal to 80 minus 60 equal to 20 meters. So the height of the poles are 20 root 3 meters, and distance from the point of elevation are 20 meter and 60 meters respectively. If you are new to my channel, please press bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe.